Hey friends, welcome back to Cozy English. I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo. Today we'll practice daily English sentences for beginners. For each sentence, we'll tell you what it means, the verb to notice, a common mistake, and then we'll say it slowly so you can repeat with us.
Let's start. Sentence. How are you? Meaning, a simple greeting. Verb note, use are with you. Common mistake, how you are. Repeat slowly. How are you?
Answer. I'm fine, thank you. Meaning, a polite reply. Verb note, I'm means I am. Common mistake, I fine. Repeat slowly. I'm fine, thank you.
Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Meaning, asking for location. Verb note, is for one place. Common mistake, where bus stop. Repeat slowly. Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Where are the restrooms? Meaning, asking for more than one. Verb note, use are for plural. Common mistake, where is the restrooms? Repeat slowly. Where are the restrooms?
Can we start the meeting? Meaning, ask to begin. Verb note, use can plus base verb start. Common mistake, we starting meeting. Repeat slowly. Can we start the meeting?
I will send the email today. Meaning, future plan. Verb note, will plus send. Common mistake, I sending email today. Repeat slowly. I will send the e-mail today.
Can you hear me? Meaning, check audio. Verb note, hear, not hearing. Common mistake, you hearing me? Repeat slowly. Can you hear me?
Can you repeat that, please? Meaning, ask to say again. Verb note, keep repeat in base form. Common mistake, say again, please. Repeat slowly. Can you repeat that, please?
Long time no see. Meaning, we haven't met for a while. Verb note, fixed casual phrase. Common mistake, it is long time I not see you. Repeat slowly. Long time no see.
Let's go for coffee. Meaning, invite someone. Verb note, let's equals let us. Common mistake, we go coffee? Repeat slowly. Let's go for coffee.
I would like some water. Meaning polite order. Verb note, would like is softer than want. Common mistake, using only I want water when ordering. Repeat slowly. I would like some water.
How much is this? Meaning, ask the price. Verb note, is for one item. Common mistake, how much this? Repeat slowly. How much is this?
I need to cook dinner. Meaning a plan or duty. Verb note, need to plus verb. Common mistake, I cooking dinner when it's a plan, not right now. Repeat slowly. I need to cook dinner.
I am going to sleep. Meaning, you're about to sleep. Verb note, am going to for near future. Common mistake, I go sleep. Repeat slowly. I am going to sleep.
Please take me to the airport.
Meaning, to a taxi driver. Verb note, take, to, plus place. Common mistake. You take me airport. Repeat slowly.
Please take me to the airport.
How long will it take? Meaning, ask about time needed. Verb note, use will. Common mistake. How long it take? Repeat slowly.
How long will it take? I don't feel well.
Meaning, you are sick. Verb note, do not plus base verb feel. Common mistake. I not feeling good. Repeat slowly.
I don't feel well.
I have a headache. Meaning, head pain. Verb note, have plus a noun. Common mistake, my head is paining. Repeat slowly.
I have a headache. I am looking for fresh vegetables.
Meaning, searching in a store. Verb note, am looking for needs for. Common mistake, I looking vegetables. Repeat slowly.
I am looking for fresh vegetables.
Can I pay by card? Meaning, ask about payment method. Verb note, can I for permission. Common mistake, just saying card? Repeat slowly.
Can I pay by card? Where is the check-in counter?
Meaning, at the airport. Verb note, is for one counter. Common mistake, where check-in counter. Repeat slowly.
Where is the check-in counter?
What time does the flight leave? Meaning, flight schedule. Verb note, use does with leave. Common mistake, what time the flight leave? Repeat slowly.
What time does the flight leave? I need to clean my room.
Meaning, a plan or duty. Verb note, need to, plus verb. Common mistake, I clean my room now, when it's a plan, not now. Repeat slowly.
I need to clean my room.
I am making dinner. Meaning, happening now. Verb note, present continuous, am making. Common mistake, I make dinner now. Repeat slowly.
I am making dinner.
Do you want to hang out? Meaning, spend time together. Verb note, do you want to plus verb. Common mistake, we go out? Repeat slowly.
Do you want to hang out?
See you later. Meaning, friendly goodbye. Verb note, fixed phrase. Common mistake, see you after for general goodbye. Repeat slowly.
See you later. Great job. You learned the meaning, the key verb, the common mistake, and you practiced each line slowly.
Keep repeating these sentences every day. Slow and clear is better than fast with mistakes. That's how you move from A1 to B1.
Before we go, let's do a clean recap. No explanations, just repeat with us.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Where are the restrooms?
Can we start the meeting?
I will send the email today.
Can you hear me?
Can you repeat that, please?
Long time no see.
Let's go for coffee.
I would like some water.
How much is this?
I need to cook dinner.
I am going to sleep.
I want to open an account.
I want to withdraw cash.
Please take me to the airport.
How long will it take?
I don't feel well.
I have a headache.
I am looking for fresh vegetables.
Can I pay by card?
Where is the check-in counter?
What time does the flight leave?
I need to clean my room.
I am making dinner.
Do you want to hang out?
See you later.
If this was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Cozy English.
Keep practicing a little every day. Small steps become big progress. See you next time.